Hey guys, so today I'm doing a flip through of my journal, so I've officially finished it, and so I'm really excited to show you guys. So basically how this is going to work is I'm going to be filming a video and then doing a voiceover just so I can make sure that I do not make this video too long, even though it'll probably be very long anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so to start off, I just have the start date and my finish date, which would be October 6th and May 26th. So the first few pages I did were just member spreads for each member of BTS, which I didn't really end up liking these ones. And then the next page is one that I made a YouTube video about. And then we have Jimin's birthday, which I actually quite like that. And then I have song analysis, which I have no idea why I made them. Blackpink, this was a really great spread that I liked, except I missed a space above Jisoo's picture, which bugs me. Another song analysis, I don't know why. And then Arm's mixtape, which was an actually amazing mixtape. Wasted on Me, and then we've got Junghyun's birthday. So this was before I officially kind of got into Twice, and I didn't know much at the time. Weekly playlist, this is one I started. I don't actually mind my first one, and then just ignore this one because they're probably all wrong. Present You with GOT7, and then I have this flip down picture of a poster of BTS that I have. My K-pop bucket list that I actually would really like to do all of those. My BTS bias, Jungkook, my favorite songs, and Euphoria. I don't like that other spread, it's kind of messy. Concert dates and Kiss and Make Up. Songs that I want to learn on the piano, I made a video about that. I've learned pretty much all of them. Yes or Yes by Twice, and I don't know what I did at the bottom. That was really, really bad. Weekly playlists, I like the purple theme that I did with this, and I like the lettering that I did. So yeah, that's one of my favorite weekly playlists. This is Solo. I was gonna make it a double spread, but I ended up liking the picture collage I made, so I just left it like that. My favorite lettering and favorite washi and stationery. Yugyeom's birthday with a sticker that I made. For Dahyun's, I kind of didn't have a brush pen, so this is my first imitation. Junghyun, I love her. I still love her. She was my first Twice bias. And I'm just explaining that I'm playing BT21, and I made a poster in my tech class, so I decided to include that. Members' birthday spreads. I haven't updated it since I made this, so it's lacking a lot of birthdays. I should probably update that soon. Next is my weekly playlist, which was my last one, and then a few songs that I wanted to listen to. December, so all the Christmas songs and just regular songs for that month, and then new song releases, which I skipped a space, which completely messed up the spacing for the rest of the page, but that's okay, I still like it. Jin's birthday, which I did a YouTube video on, 100 followers on Amino, Red Velvet's Really Bad Boy comeback, don't like these pages, just gonna skip that. Top songs of 2018 for me, made a video on that. Sana's birthday, and then my favorite shops on Etsy for stickers and everything. And then we've got V's birthday, and I like this part here. Happy New Year, and my January playlist, which had an orangish theme. Jisoo's birthday, and then I don't know what I did with the highlighters here. We're just gonna move on from that. JV's birthday. Sappy, and I really like the lettering I did for Red Velvet's Japanese solo, comeback. My first kind of unofficial life update, and then I listed some songs, I meant shows that I wanted to see, and then TXT. These are the TXT members when they were announced, and then my positivity spread, just because I felt like doing that. This is when Kai and Jennie were announced dating, even though they're no longer dating, but whatever. Ren BTS and Save Me, I really love this spread. It is amazing. No, not to brag, I'm sorry. ITZY, and then Cherry Bullet, which I did a video on. TXT member spread with the dates of the video releases. Scenery by V, and then Dalla Dalla music video teaser. Jihyo's birthday, which I had a pink theme to go with the February playlist with red, pink, and hearts. Two Truths and One Lie, my favorite BT21, oh my god, I always say that, BTS ships. Happy Lunar New Year, Taehyun's birthday, ITZY, and new album announcement for BTS, which was Persona. Wish orders and Dalla Dalla. Happy Birthday Rose, I like the spread because I only did drawings, and I think they turned out pretty well. And then I tried something new with the new songs, double layering photos, Valentine's Day, and something else I didn't like. life update, my first official one. Happy birthday to J-Hope. I like the lettering and the drop shadow. I might do a tutorial on that. Leave a comment if you'd like to see that. Don't like these two, we're just going to skip right by those. March playlist, and then I have the starting a K-pop journal spread, which I also made a video on. Happy 1 year with J-Hope's mixtape, and I don't like this page over here, so we're just going to move on. TXT's debut, Yoongi's birthday, which I also made a video on this. I really like this spread. This is when I was on vacation, so we've got Mamamoo's comeback, Go Go Baby, and then another life update. BTS officially announcing April 12th is the comeback date. This is just some Korean practice. Happy Day playlist because I was very sad, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna make a happy songs playlist. And then Sunmi, I'm So Hot by Momoland, Changes in Music, and Mina's birthday with Everglow. Lisa's birthday, which I love the washi tape that I used on this one, and Map of the Soul Persona comeback. I had Jackson's birthday in between the paperclip, but it ended up not looking so great, so I'm not going to show that. April playlist, I used a fruity theme, and then I have Be Cook, my favorite chip. Kill This Love is amazing. That was an amazing song. Go check that out if you haven't. 50 subscribers, 55 followers. Love Yourself era to Persona. Persona comeback. So that was awesome. 250 days with BTS and then Twice's comeback. 30-day song challenge, also already posted on YouTube. My bias list with the groups in alphabetical order. My bias and bias wrecker. Fancy by Twice, which I like the banner that I did here. Chaeyoung's birthday, Cat and Dog by TXT. It was the music video for that. Spinning Top announcement, May playlist, which had a pink, purple, and plant theme. News and a life update with green and blue color themes. Bam Bam's birthday, Songs for Dance, which I still haven't completed. I plan to finish that. BTS disbanding, I'm not sure. I'm so confused about this. I might make a video about that later. Spinning Top by GOT7, and then my goodbye journal spread. So yeah, that just about wraps up my journal.